At the recent press briefing by the Border Security Force, informed newspersons on the non-compromisation of national security by the force despite various challenging situations. While speaking about the recent recovery of arms and ammunition in West Khasi Hills district of Meghalaya, that the BSF, with the support of the Meghalaya police, was able to recover a cache of arms and ammunition that included a local but USA marked revolver, 2 magazines, live ammunition and also a few fired bullet cases from the area. However, investigation is on to nab and arrest those involved in the activity.
So after thorough search of the area, the metal detectors were used, and we could find out one revolver which is marked as USA, but I think it's a local one, but it is marked USA. One revolver, 2 magazines were there, and ammunition, live ammunition was there, even fired cases were also there. Cannot be said it belongs to whom, but naturally some of the person who has either now left this job, or if he may not be comfortable, or they might have hide it for their later on use it, but it is caught.
Insofar as the elephant corridor is concerned, that since Bangladesh has no forest cover, therefore elephants cross over to Meghalaya on the Indian side of the border. In doing so, fences are destroyed and lives of those on duty are endangered. It is during the crossing of the herd that smugglers take advantage to cross over from one side of the border to the other, thereby escaping the sight of the forces that man the area.
Go to inside and then they will go back using the same, almost same. So those are the places we commonly call them the elephant corridors. So the difficulty is being faced. Number one, if the area is fenced, so elephant will come and cause damage to the fence. Number two, even if somebody who is on the duty, his life is also sometime endangered. And number three, since when the herd moves, these smuggler also can take advantage of that area, taking this or the following the herd. So that is also there. So normally the damage to the fence and to the life and the even civilian property is also damaged sometimes when the village if they enter. It's just a crossing over, and if we came to know, because with experience people who are performing duty, they are aware that this fence, the herd is now coming on this side. So if we came to know beforehand, sometimes we keep the gate open and they silently cross over without damaging the fence.